Alright, so I'm going to answer that long asked question about between the Mercedes 6-cylinders, which one is the better 6-cylinder, the inline or the V? Well, I just got this 06 C230 with the V6. And I got my 97 with the inline 6. And they're both straight piped. Pretty much just the resonator and muffler deletes. That's all they have, and we're gonna find out which one both sounds better. And on another video I'll have to upload when I do a little drive on them both to see which one is actually in fact faster. Let's see, set this down right here, right about there, and let's fire things up. We'll do this one right here, the E. We'll do this one first. Oh, turn the doors off. There's that one. Yeah, I know it's a close one. They both sound good in their own way. I don't know, that's a tough one. They both sound throaty. Just straight. I need to finish this one. It's got all the way back to the back, the rear end. I have to put the last little bit of pipe on, but ultimately, I just picked this one up for $800, man. It was a steal. It runs great. I just had to put a fuel pump in it, and then the other one